In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Workspace members. Trello administration, 5 minutes. To get started, log into Trello using your usual account. From your home screen, create a new board. Give it a clear, descriptive name so teammates know what it's for at a glance. Next, choose the right visibility. Private is best for internal work or anything with sensitive information. Public boards can be discovered online, so only use that if the content is meant to be shared broadly. Now set up your lists. You can organize them by workflow stages like to do, in progress, and done, which is perfect for tracking work from start to finish. Or, if you're focusing on roles and responsibilities, create a list for each job title. This structure makes it easy to see who owns what across the team. Within those lists, add cards for responsibilities and individual tasks. Think of each card as a single unit of work or a defined responsibility area. Open each card to add a clear description that explains the context and goal. Use checklists to break work into subtasks that are easy to tick off. Attach relevant files and link to documents your team uses so everything lives in one place. The more context you provide here, the fewer clarifying questions you'll get later. Assign ownership by adding team members to cards. This makes responsibility visible and removes ambiguity. You can also use @ mentions in the card's comments to direct questions or hand off specific actions. That way, the right people get notified immediately and conversations stay tied to the work. Add due dates to cards to manage deadlines and keep momentum. Trello's calendar and timeline views help you visualize upcoming work and spot conflicts before they happen. Encourage your team to keep dates current. Moving work forward is much easier when everyone sees what's due and when. If you prefer a people-centric view, there's another option. Create a list for each job title, then add one card per person. On the person's card, include a photo, their responsibilities, and estimated hours. This instantly shows capacity and role clarity, and it complements the task-focused view on your main workflow board. That's it. By naming your board clearly, choosing the right visibility, structuring lists thoughtfully, adding rich card details, assigning members, using @ mentions, and setting due dates, you'll have a simple, scalable system for managing Workspace members in Trello. Keep it updated, review it regularly, and your team will always know who's doing what, by when, and how to get it done.